restocking Saturday, February 23rd at 9 a.m. Philippine time. You'll be able to purchase in my shop at Shopee and through my social media account, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in description. I'm also putting some of my new slimes in my physical store here in Cebu. You can find it inside the Mesa Yala and the other one is at Craft Story Cebu. First off, we have a new slime. This one is called Rose Quartz. It's a crystal pink clear slime mixed with pink flower beads and silver glitters to add extra gorgeousness with this slime. This is super thick, beautiful, and the rose scent is so good. Next, we have our signature slime. This is called Ooozy DIY Clay Slime. The top layer is a very soft clay and the color represents my logo, which is inspired by our Philippine flag. The bottom layer is a very thick and glossy pastel yellow slime. This is scented like a dove soap. And it is so satisfying to mix the clay and the slime. This slime comes with a Ooozy pen. You get this if you purchase more than 800 pesos only. After playing with it, this will turn to a light plum color, super floppy, and it's also inflate. Next on the list is called Mystic Orange. This one is a very bright pink and orange cloud slime topped with pink iridescent glitters and scented like a sweet orange. After playing it for a while, it will turn to a coral color cloud slime, and as you can see, this slime is super floppy and drizzly. Next, I'm bringing back my bestseller Slay Slime from my last restock with an improved texture. It is more clicky but still soft and very creamy. It also have a great bubble pump, scented like a strawberry and comes with a heart sprinkles. Many of you requested from my IG story to bring back this slime. Melted bubblegum is a very bright pink, ultra thick and glossy slime scented like a bubblegum. super clicky, holdable, but still stretchy. Next is we have a version 2 of Chocolate Understands in jelly slime form. This is a dual colored slime, a pink jelly slime scented like a strawberry and brown jelly slime scented like a chocolate. You know that these scents are my favorite from my last restock. After playing with it, it will turn to a pink velvet color, super floppy, super jelly, and it also have a great bubble pops. Next one, this slime is called Candy Crush and probably my favorite for this restock. It is a light pink, full-blown slime scented like a milky watermelon fruit and I'm super in love with it. This slime is still stretchy, creamy, and super satisfying. So if you love crunchy slime, you guys need this. As from the list, we have Rainbow Milky Magic. This slime is super colorful, thick, glossy, holdable, and beautiful. It is a very clicky, stretchy, and so satisfying seeing how the color mixed and turned to a plum color. I mixed mango and strawberry for the scent. That's all, and now I'm showing you my very first palette slime that concludes my February 23 restock. I have only 5 of these. Make sure to set your countdown timer tomorrow so you're not gonna miss this. And that's all for my February 23rd restock. I hope you guys enjoy, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye!